Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July.
Looking at this, I feel like some of you guys have been dealing with someone that you had to let go of. I feel like you had to walk away from this person because you felt like the situation wasn't going anywhere. But I'm picking up from whoever you're thinking about. This person could be trying to get out of a situation right now. And it is affecting their finances or, career. But more so finances, I'm picking up where they're feeling drained due to a situation. And I feel like they are planning to make their return, but they first have to take care of a situation first that they're trying to get out of. Alright, so let's hop in. Let's see what's up. Alright, Spirit, what's going on with Aquarius? Alright, bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands reversed. So, somebody doesn't have a happy home. Tell me more. Okay, or this person that messed up, they're trying to get out of a situation and they want to come back towards you because they love you, they want to be with you, but they feel like they're not going to have a happy home with you. But I do feel like this person is going to come back towards you, Aquarius, with an apology. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person wants to give you an offer. They definitely want to give you an offer of commitment. They definitely want to balance things out with you. But I'm going to be honest, just looking at this, whoever you've been dealing with, remember I told y'all with the finances and career card, this person is focusing on their money right now because they are having to give to someone else, or they have been giving to someone else. And it's like they know that they want to be with you, but there's a situation going on here. Because somebody's having to give up some money. Tell me more. What's going on? See, the way the Page of Pentacles, see what I'm saying? Whoever this is, this person wants to give you an offer, but I'm telling you, they were in some type of like codependent situation. I don't know if they were helping someone out financially where they were giving someone money. Somebody could have been giving them money. It's something like that because there's definitely a heavy focus on finances right here. But I'm telling you, they want to come back to give you an offer, but I feel like it's going to be small because they got to take care of whatever this is first. Yeah, this is why they're not taking a leap, that full jump to come towards you just yet. Tell me more. And it kind of landed on my finances and career. See what I'm saying? I feel like, okay, some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus, but just looking at this, somebody's having to get out of a relationship, a marriage, some type of contract. And I feel like that's why they're worried about their money. Somebody, yeah, could be married. Yeah, look, they don't have the strength right now to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But look at this. They're going to have a peace of mind with their finances. I feel like something may work out in their favor. But at the same time, they are going to be single. So if they're in a relationship, if they're in a marriage, they're trying to get out of that situation, they will. I'm just hearing patience. Patience is needed. There's something going on. See, they were stuck in limbo. They didn't know what to do. But they're taking it day by day, and they're coming towards you. Clarify the Six of Cups. I feel like they're thinking about their past, or the situation from someone in the past, yeah. See, Two of Cups. I feel like they want to have a commitment with you, but I feel like they're looking at it like, okay, Aquarius doesn't want it with me, or cross-watchers feeling that way about Aquarius. But I'm feeling like they need to let go of something or someone from their past. They can't stop thinking about how they left you out in the cold. Because there were a lot of secrets and lies here that this person gave to you. They told you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But I feel like there was just some secrets, some lies, and now they're scared to come back and approach you because they know that they didn't balance things out. And they feel like things may not improve if they come back to try to talk to you to win you back over. And so I feel like they're trying to make a decision right now. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but they're trying to make a decision how to move forward with you because it's like they know that they want to be with you, they want to move things along, but they just don't know how to go about doing that just yet. They're coming out of being frustrated about the situation because it looks like somebody did make a decision here. Tell me more. But they're scared things may not improve with you. And I'm telling you, somebody is worried about their financial situation. And this is why they're not moving forward right now. This is why they're not putting in the work. Tell me more. Yep. I'm telling you, somebody's coming out of some type of like court situation, trying to let go of some type of contract. They could be getting out of a marriage. It's just some type of, I feel, legal situation. Could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify? Yeah. See, whatever's going on, this is definitely transforming this person. They're definitely going through like an awakening, transformation. I feel like somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. See what I'm saying? Yeah. For some of you guys, your person is married or they're just trying to get out of some type of court situation. But they are going to move on. This was the lesson that they had to go through. And they're going to move on because it's like they're going to learn their lesson. Whatever this situation is, it literally woke this person up. And it's changing them for the better. And see, when they come back in, they are going to give you an offer. And see, they're going to come in fast. They're coming in fast because they don't want to lose you. Tell me more. But they feel like you look at them like they have way too many options, or it's like they chose other things or other people over you, and they're scared. They definitely want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. They do want a new beginning with you, but I feel like they're just isolating themselves right now, and they're upset. You know, this person does not know how to open up and express how they truly feel. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they're coming. They just need to open up. They're coming out of that energy of feeling like they lost you. But see, they're scared that you don't want to have this happy home with them anymore. Because they know they messed up. But there's communication coming, guys. They're coming. They might reach out to you by phone. If not, it could be online. But I'm telling you, this person is in their head a lot because they know they were being very childish and immature to you in the past. There was definitely a third party here. And they don't want to argue with you about it anymore. They don't want to have that conflict. Because I feel like this person was definitely trying to clear away those obstacles. And it's like they're no longer frustrated about it. But they're scared that if they give you this offer, you're going to pour it out. They feel like you don't want it anymore. And they know your guard is up. And this is why they're undecided about how to even go after you, how to even fix the situation. Because they do want to start over and build something with you. But you see what I'm saying? I've had 3 signs today. Your sign number 7 I've done. So 3 out of 7 has had these 2 cards together, which is weird. So I'm telling you, this person wants to start over and build with you. They know that they broke your heart. I'm telling you, there was a third party here, but they know in order to be with you, they have to let go of that third party situation. And they have to come back to fix things with you. See? The seeds that they planted, they definitely wanted to grow with you, Aquarius. They want to fix this. They definitely want to fix this. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I do feel like this person is scared to even approach you because you did cut them off. But I feel like they see things clearly now. They know who they want, what they have to do, how they need to just go after the situation to fix things. But they know that they hurt you. They know they hurt you and they're scared. They come back towards you, you're going to walk away from them. Because you're done. They know you're done. You're tired of doing this. You're tired of going through this cycle. But they're using their intuition here. And they know that they were being sneaky in the past. They know it. The way the 5 of Cups just came out, that back and forth energy, I feel like this person is sad and they're trying to come out of energy, but I feel like a part of their lesson it was dealing with their finances. It was. Somebody got hit in the pockets. And that's why they're frustrated. Remember, I told you our finances and career, that was a part of their karma. And see, now they want to come back because they want to have this victory with you. But they're scared that you don't want to have this new beginning with them. They are coming out of being frustrated about it, though. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel like they're looking at you guys like you're healing, you're moving on. You're not worried about it. And that's why they're going to rush back in, because they're feeling like when you get in this energy of the Queen of Pentacles, where it's like you're no longer concerned about them, you're focusing on yourself, your own happiness, you're doing what you got to do, and you're moving on. It's like, oh no. Let me run back to Aquarius. I got to fix this. Because they know once you move on, and the type of person that you are, you're a great catch, and somebody else is going to come in and snatch you up. And if that's the case, and they come and snatch you up, it's a wrap for them for real. And they know it. So that's why I see them rushing back in. Yeah, they're dropping something. Clarify. They're going to drop this fear that they have. They're going to drop anybody that's been holding them back from being with you. But there's the Queen of Swords. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. I'm telling you, this person is scared that y'all gonna go the hell off on them. Like, they know it. It's like you want to hear them out. You want to hear what they got to say, but they know you're tired of their BS. And see, because they were moving slow in the past, and now they're going to pick up the pace, guys. They're going to pick it up. But they know that they didn't... Oh, okay. Hold on, y'all. They know that they didn't bring balance in the situation. Okay, that was weird. They know that they didn't bring balance in the situation, and because they didn't put in the work in the relationship in the past, they feel like you're not going to even try to allow them to prove to you that they're serious this time. Yeah, they're scared that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. But they definitely want things to improve, Aquarius. They do. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm telling you, they put an imbalance in the situation due to a third party in the past. And see, now, they don't have hope. I'm telling y'all, they don't have hope that you're going to take them back. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody also could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person is standing up for themselves. They're taking the initiative to walk away from something toxic. They're letting go of being scared. They're letting go of fears. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But I'm telling you, they're scared. If they come back towards you, it's like, not only do they feel like you're not going to accept their offer, but they also feel like you deserve better. Because they're like, why does Aquarius want to put up with me? Or Crosswatcher, they could be like, why does this other person want to deal with me, blah, 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 blah. But they want happiness. This person definitely wants happiness with you, and they're coming back to turn things around. Why do they feel stuck? They're definitely frustrated. Okay. Somebody's feeling stuck because, yeah, they want all this with you. They know that they can have stability with you. They can have this great life with you. But there's somebody in the background that is trying their best to make sure it doesn't happen, because they just look at your person as like someone that can take care of them financially. They just want money from them, is what I'm seeing here. Could be an Aries that somebody's dealing with, but I feel like this person wants stability. I'm going to tell you now, whoever they're dealing with or we're dealing with, this person is very controlling. They're very manipulative. And it's like this person will not let your person go. It's like, they're like a shark, okay? We ain't going to do that analogy. I'm going to leave y'all alone. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, this person was very controlling. And I feel like this is why your person feels like they're not being positive. They can even win you back. But they're coming out of being frustrated about their finances. And they're coming out of taking their time coming back towards you, because, see, you are their wish fulfillment. They want all of this with you. They want a commitment. They want a family. They want it all. But right now, they're not telling you this. There might not be any communication due to the fact that they stabbed you in the back. But there was some type of tower moment here. Tell me more. Clarify the tower. I feel like something came crashing down on their end, and it's like now they're looking at you as you were the one. You were right. You could have been telling them some things if you've noticed, whether it's with another individual, family. You could have been like this person's listening ear, giving them advice, and they could have just shoved you to the side. But it's like now they're trying to be positive, or they're looking at you as someone who's positive, a positive person in their life. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But the way the Page of Swords just came out, it's like they don't want you to look back at the past when they do come back in. But at the same time, they are keeping an eye on you. They're watching you right now, because they're still feeling stuck. They don't know what to do. So it's like they're trying to get out of that situation that they put themselves in. But while they're working on that, they're keeping an eye on you guys, or they're asking people about what you got going on, because they know they're coming back towards you. But they know they can't come back towards you until they get themselves out of that situation. And then they're trying to figure out when they're ready to come back towards you. how are they going to approach you? What are they going to say? So it's a lot going on in this person's mind. But Aquarius, leave me some comments, please. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys. Bye, Aquarius.